EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, August 10th and 11th, 2019 is the final weekend for Music Fest in South Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. It is also going to be a very nice weekend across the entire region with mostly sunny skies, pleasant conditions, low humidity. Yesterday was a little bit in between. We had lowering humidity during the afternoon, but started off a little bit humid in the morning. We actually had a little bit of a surprise with a couple arbitrary showers popping up. And when I say arbitrary, I mean very random. And it was very random, not expected. Models did a very poor job with handling that, but much less chance they have of having an oops today, like they did yesterday, with high pressure over top of the region and no weak impulses moving through. So we had a weak impulse moving through yesterday, was just enough to pop a shower or a isolated storm here or there, but really overall wasn't too bad. And then the next couple nights will be mostly clear also after mostly sunny days. Here's a look at Saturday as we moved ahead to Sunday. Not much different. So lower 80s for most of you, a little bit cooler further north and a little warmer to the middle 80s further south and east. And that'll be true on both days. And some of you will get into the 50s overnight for low temperatures, and a little bit milder on Sunday night because we're going to have wind shifting to the southwest here on Monday. Still mostly sunny though, but with that southwesterly wind flow coming in on Monday, we're going to have temperatures that are going to increase to the upper 80s generally for most regions. Might be close to 90 down here by Philadelphia, southern Jersey. And maybe just keeping into mid 80s up in these regions, but generally in the middle, the midpoint there is generally upper 80s for highs here on Monday. But again, mostly sunny. Will continue on Monday, but then we have this system that's going to increase clouds from the west overnight. And it's going to be a quick moving system that's going to bring scattered showers and thunderstorms for most of the day here on Tuesday. This is going to be a pretty much an all-day, during-the-day type of thing, it looks like, as far as timing goes, and scattered showers and thunderstorms, so mostly cloudy or mainly cloudy here on Tuesday with that system rolling through. Still be a little bit warm, though, because the cold front associated with this will have to be pushed through. That won't come until Wednesday. And then the trough is going to settle in. Another reinforcing trough, just like we have this weekend, is going to settle in for the latter part of the week here, but around the trough axis, there could be an isolated shower or storm, actually more scattered here in some places. In our eastern sections is showing here on Wednesday, so I wouldn't be surprised to see that later Wednesday behind that, and that's with an impulse moving in behind this frontal boundary associated with the upper air trough that's moving in for the next couple of days. And stray showers still possible here on Thursday, but it looks like by Friday it's even less of a chance. And then going into next weekend, hey, we got another weekend coming up here. It looks like it's going to be pretty good. Unbelievable. But it does look like it's going to be a lower humidity stretch once we get to, once we get into late in the week and into, or at least the first start of next weekend. I do think we're going to have a warm-up, though, once we get past next weekend, going into the following weekend. And we're going to get considerably warmer as a Bermuda high starts to take shape once we get into maybe around the 22nd or thereabout of the month. And then it's going to continue straight through the end of August, it looks like, with some 90s coming back into the picture. So enjoy this while you can. Enjoy the comfortable temperatures and the lower humidity. Not really too bad early next week, given the humidity is going to go up a little bit. Temperature's going to go up a little bit. That's just temporary. Then it goes back down toward the end of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for the weekend, August 10th and 11th, 2019. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.